Okay, so this is the Ice Bucket Challenge. It's me, Brody Speziali, doing the Ice Bucket Challenge. I was challenged by my grandfather, and I'm gonna challenge my dad, my uncle, and
Which uncle?
Theo, and my friend Lexter. I don't know his last name.
Okay. Okay.
Here we go. You ready?
Yep.
Stay there. Stay there. That won't take as long.
Okay.
Hot dogs up after.
My back's not wet.
Is that cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
That's cold.